As a self-employed electrician, what do you do when you ain't got no work the following week? If you ain't got no work, you ain't gonna be able to pay your bills, you ain't gonna be able to pay your mortgage, you ain't gonna pay your rent, you ain't gonna be able to pay for the van. That'll probably get took off you, so things could get a bit worse. So what do? Do you just mosey on around thinking things will get better? The phone will ring some point, someone will want some work doing somewhere. Or do you position yourself so when you are busy, you keep the pressure on? You keep asking customers to maybe leave you a review on Google, or keep asking customers, could you possibly share my Facebook page with all your friends and family, just in case they need an electrician to give me a good reputation to build my company bigger and better over time. So when these days do come along where you think, I haven't got any work, you don't worry, you don't care, because you know that there's work coming in the pipelines. It always is. And you just sort of chill out, maybe just take the dog for a walk. There he is. Well, go! He don't care.